Revolutionizing the riding experience. LS2 unveils the game-changing LS24X Intercom powered by Cardo, featuring the groundbreaking Universal Communication Solution (UCS) standard. Introducing the LS24X, meticulously designed for seamless integration into ECE 22.06 compliant Vector 2, Advent, and Infinity helmets, providing options for full-face, convertible, or open-face with UCS compatibility. This dedicated LS2 Intercom LS24X product, developed by Cardo Systems, connects up to 4 riders through Bluetooth, with an impressive range of 1.2 kilometers, 0.75 miles. Experience sound by JBL, natural voice operation, open Bluetooth intercom, OB, and full waterproofing. Riders can now focus on the road, thanks to auto-reconnecting Bluetooth, ensuring uninterrupted communication without any hassle. And the innovation continues. Soon, LS2 will offer pre-installed helmets with LS2 Intercom and even carbon versions, enhancing your riding experience to the next level. Shachar Harari expresses excitement about this collaboration, highlighting the significance of UCS for embedded communications and the promising future ahead in this partnership. Luca Porcelati shares his enthusiasm for this innovation, emphasizing the global reach of the UCS-compatible helmets in collaboration with Cardo Systems. For more details on the LS2 helmet range, visit www.ls2helmets.com. To explore Cardo Systems, head to www.cardosystems.com. Elevate your ride with LS2 Intercom, LS24X. Revolutionize communication, embrace innovation, and experience a new era of motorcycling.